Replacing the exhaust fan drive. Shutdown. Enter the password. Turn off the device switches in the PDF. Push down the clip on the fan drive to be replaced. Pull out the handle. Remove the fan drive from the subrack. Install the new fan drive. Insert it into the corresponding slot in the power distribution subrack. Push down the clip to lock the fan drive. Turn on the device switches in the PDF. Startup. Enter the password.
Check that the device works properly and no alarm is generated.